each and every part of the world that you're joining this series of the Daily Morning Market Call. My name is Kefa Eric, one of the market analysts here at HFM. HFM linking you to the global markets to access various financial assets. Now, today being on the 14th day of the fourth month of 2025, that is April, we all agree to the fact that the market is not short of volatility. There is high movement of assets. We have some assets being bullish while others being bearish. We're going to continue with our series of interpreting this and what to expect. And like most of you can attest, this series of the Daily Morning Market Call has been helpful to help us cover the educational gap on the financial markets. This week, we have quite a number of high impact news coming in, and we also have geopolitical forces to watch so that to tell the market direction. On economic data, we have in England or United Kingdom, we have retail sales monitor year on year. That is an inflation coming out this week. We also have the Australian Reserve Bank having their minutes to determine interest rates decisions. We also have labor data from United Kingdom. And in Europe, we have the new economic sentiment index. And in Canada, of course, we have the CPI. In the United States, we also have the new New York Empire State Manufacturing Index. So we see a mixture of both inflation data and labor data coming from super powerful jurisdictions, which moves financial assets. And when I say financial assets, I mean assets across the board. We speak currencies, we speak commodities, we speak individual stocks, we speak group of stocks. But before we dive right in, today we have a special guest with us. His name is Shane. Mr. Shane. Mr. Shane will be having oh, you see guys are asking if I am muted. On your side, please check if you can hear me, because I am not muted. Am I muted, bro? Check on your side so that we proceed with little hesitation. Gladys, I think if you can hear me, for other members, kindly comment here or good morning so that I know everyone is on board, so that we know if it's a general hiccup or we could proceed normally. Good morning, Macklin, good morning. Melq, good morning. So, yeah, good morning, Mr. Shane, good morning. So it is evident that this might be only on your side. Kindly turn up the volume of your device, and then we proceed. Now, as I was saying, good morning, everybody. Thank you for the positive response. As I was saying, today we have a special guest, Mr. Shane. Mr. Shane will be helping us to uncover some of the economic and geopolitical forces, that is fundamental analysis, which is moving the markets. But before we dive right into it, I'd like to bring it to your attention that this is going to be a pre-recorded YouTube video, to mean that you could access this YouTube video at your own free and convenient time, and get to watch various content that we post from time to time on our YouTube channel, that is HFM Kenya. Kindly don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification button and share, so that we improve on our algorithms and get better by the day. So I'll share the charts and then we will begin the conversation immediately thereafter. Beginning with commodities. I'll share my stuff. We see prices printing higher highs and higher lows, suggesting bullish sentiment. Mr. Shane, what do you have to say about this?
Thank you for the opportunity, Mr. Kefa. Yes, as you can see, price is moving upwards, and although we have compliance on one side on commodities with reference to precious metal gold and tension between China and US on the trade war, we seem to be escalating upwards, and in summary, China seems to be resistant to Trump tariffs, giving investors and traders a bullish sentiment.
Amazing. 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 So,
Thank you.
Mr. Shane, you put out the sentiments that the trade wars between China and United States seems to be escalating, and is the reason why we have gold being bullish.
Yeah, that's true.
Amazing. So bullish, being long on gold, is considered a risk off approach. In regard to that sentiment.
Yeah, that's true.
Amazing. So the conflicts between China and United States in regards to Trump's tariff, and Trump's tariff, we have time without numbers said their tax imposition on imports. China seems not to be compliant and is attempting to add more tariff to the United States to cover up for what they seem to be unfair. This is having the commodity gold print bullish in this particular regards. That's amazing. I believe we called it out from the 2954.52 area of interest, and prices print to the upside. We would also wait for retracements to key area of interest like we have here at 31.49 for price to attempt react from this area of interest and print to the upside. So bullish sentiments in that particular regards. Let's switch off to stocks. This is US 100. I'm wondering, Mr. Shane, why were we having your indices or group of stocks being bullish in this particular day and time?
Thank you. Yes, as you can see, traders and investors are now optimistic on the stock market. This is because on the countries that Trump had imposed tariffs on, over 50 to 70 countries are now compliant. So this has had stocks seemingly bullish, and let us just call it that investors are regaining their confidence back into the market, and this includes stocks like US 30, Nasdaq 100, which is US 100, S&P 500, the Nifty, and the DAX, which is German 40. Yes, thank you.
Amazing, amazing. So, as on one hand, we have some countries like China resisting to comply to the Trump's tariff, but on the other side we have other countries being compliant. This is giving optimism to stocks across the world. In the United States, the three major stocks, that is US 30, US 100, and S&P 500 printing bullish. I believe I can show them. This is US 100 printing bullish, suggesting a bullish sentiment. Although I can see it opened with a gap, most of the markets did. S&P 500 also opening with a gap but attempting to be bullish, and also US 30 in that regards. Mr. Shane has also mentioned that in European stocks, in reference to DAX 40 or the German 40, we're also having bullish sentiments. We see price printing quite abnormal pin back candles on the upside. However, the case, groups of stocks seems to be more or less unpredictable for swing trades and position trades because of the uncertainties which are brought about by the Trump's tariff. However, for scalpers and day traders, they might have a field day in taking quick short-term trades, but attempting to remain bullish to respect that particular sentiment. On currencies, Mr. Shane, I'm wondering what is happening to the United States dollar?
As you can see, the dollar is really weakening drastically. And this is because of, number one, of soft economic data being printed from the United States, with reputable financial institutions foreseeing a recession. And this may have the Fed consider cutting rates. Thank you.
Amazing insights there. Amazing insights there. So we have economic data printing from the United States being soft, meaning printing below expectations or having mixed reaction. This can be seen from the two major high impact data that we have been having in the previous weeks. That is CPI last week, Consumer Price Index, which is an inflation data, and also NFP, which is a labor data the week before that, printing mixed reaction in both cases. So overall, we have soft number from the United States, and we also have the same effect of Trump's tariffs. The uncertainties are weakening the dollar, and this is having currencies with the dollar being the quote currency, printing bullish, like Euro USD we see here. So sentiments for Euro USD being bullish. The same case we are going to likely see on GBP USD. Attempting to find it. GBP USD, here it is, being bullish. For US dollar based currencies, so the US dollar coming in fast, we see it's printing bearish. This is US dollar CHF, Swiss franc, and this is likely also to be the scenario on any other pair with the US dollar coming in fast. For AUD USD, it's printing bullish, breaking areas of interest and attempting to change its character from the long-term bearish trend to a bullish trend. In summary, for the United States dollar-based currencies, that is like Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, that is United States dollar currencies to the United States being second, being bullish and giving us sentiments to be long. And for the United States dollar against other currencies, the United States dollar being the base currency like USD JPY, USD CHF, are showing us bearish momentum that can be seen in that regard. So I think this has been quite an insightful daily morning market call. And if this is your first time to interact with the financial markets, kindly consider visiting HFM website, hfm.com. Attempt to register for an account, and our experts will get in touch with you. As a disclaimer also, this by any chance is not financial advice. It's purely meant for educational purposes. Until tomorrow, the same place, the same time, to do things the same way. What do we tell them, Shane?
See you and have a good day.
God bless you all. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you.